I love making something delicious from leftovers, and this turkey and mushroom risotto is rich, creamy and comforting, and a great way to use up those leftovers from Christmas Day. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I know, we haven't even cooked the turkey yet, and already she's talking about leftovers. But trust me, you're going to want to save some of those Christmas Day turkey leftovers for this creamy turkey risotto. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by adding a tablespoon of unsalted butter to a large frying pan. We're also going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil and heat over a medium heat until the butter melts. Now add in 150 grams, which is about 2 cups of sliced chestnut mushrooms. We're going to cook those mushrooms for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring often until they're nice and golden. Once the mushrooms are lovely and golden, then remove them from the pan and place on a plate for later. Now I'm going to fry up some cubes of pancetta. Now you can use bacon or you can use the thin strips of pancetta. I just know that I need to add in some form of bacon to make Chris eat a risotto with mushrooms in it. Isn't that right, Chris?
Everything tastes better with bacon.
There you go. So add the pancetta to the pan and fry, stirring a few times until it's nice and crisp. Once it's cooked, remove from the pan and place on the plate ready to add to the risotto later. And we're going to add a finely diced onion to the pan and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until the onion starts to go soft and translucent. Next in goes 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir it together and cook for a further minute. Now we're going to add in the rice. Now for risotto, it's really important to use risotto rice, which is also known as arborio rice. I've got 300 grams here, which is about 1 1/3 cups of arborio rice, and we're going to add that to the pan. So add that rice in and stir until the oil has coated the rice. Now we want to add in 150 ml, which is about half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of white wine. Stir it together and let the wine reduce slightly and begin to be absorbed by the rice. And now it's time to start adding in the stock. I've got 1.2 litres, which is about 5 cups of stock here. Now you can use some good quality chicken stock, or if you really want to use up those leftovers, then boil up the bones from the turkey carcass to make some homemade turkey stock. Add the stock a ladle at a time, stirring often to ensure each ladle of stock has almost fully absorbed before adding the next. It's a gradual process to make the perfect risotto, and it'll take about 15 to 17 minutes to incorporate all that stock. Once you've incorporated nearly all of the stock and you've only got about a ladle or 2 left, then we're going to add in the leftover turkey. I've got 250 grams here, which is about 2 cups, so add that into the pan. We're also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Stir everything together, then add in the remaining stock. Stir again and cook for another 3 minutes to heat through the turkey and for the stock to be absorbed by the rice. Now add in that cooked mushroom and pancetta from earlier. We're also going to add in 50 grams, which is about half a cup of grated parmesan, and the juice of half a lemon. Stir everything together and heat through for another minute or two, and then you're ready to serve. Top with a little grated parmesan, some black pepper and a few sprigs of thyme before serving. So that's my leftover turkey risotto. Let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, it tastes so rich, creamy and comforting with all the flavours from that bacon, the mushrooms and that turkey coming through. And if you want some more recipes for leftover turkey, then check out the playlist that I've made you here. And don't forget to watch our video with our top 10 tips for making the perfect Christmas dinner stress-free. See you next time and happy Christmas.